at the Shadis and More Brisbane Showcase happening today here at Hyatt Regency in the city. Looking forward to an exciting day. Lots of vendors lined up, some fabulous setups coming along over there. I can't wait to see what the public response is going to be and how the vendors are going to go today. Follow me. The Shadis and More event has been a success today. There was a constant buzz of people. I have with me Nadia Khan. She is the person responsible for what's called Ashkan venue. Nadia, what was your experience here today in 30 seconds?
Yeah, it was amazing. I think it's total success. And best of luck for Shadi and More. And please keep on coming back to Brisbane.
Prerna, what a fantastic event. Now tell me something unbiased. You've had this kind of a pop-up event in Sydney, Melbourne, and now you've come to Brisbane. How did Brisbane rate?
Unbiased? Absolutely unbiased, unfiltered. It looks like Brisbane loves it and wants more of it. I'm going to go back to the planning board as soon as we finish off here. But that's a great place to be. I'm so pleased. I'm so pleased by the response. I'm so pleased by how Brisbane showed up. Thank you all. I'm so pleased with all the vendors here. They've done amazing, such great support and such great work. We have to do more of this. I think that's the verdict.
That's true, and you're not the only person who said that. Fantastic space here, and there was that constant buzz of people around.
Yeah, I love the word buzz. Yeah, it was exactly that. We were just buzzing the whole way through. I don't think any of us have stopped for even a second to even talk to each other. I saw you in the morning and I was seeing you there.
That's true. Now, Prerna, obviously we as vendors are here to meet potential brides and groom, but you as a business, you're also here to meet other vendors. And you did have a lot of other vendors come in as well. And did you see a lot of interest and curiosity from them too?
Yeah, so like I said, the whole community has been very supportive, very excited about what's happening. And yeah, I think the only way from here is up. So yeah, Brisbane, I'll see you again soon, I guess.
Prerna, thank you so much for chatting with us. That was Prerna. She's the founder of Shadis and More, an exclusive South Asian wedding vendor directory. She started this magic in Melbourne and she has brought it down to Brisbane. We'll see you at Shadis and More. I have with me Jesta, or as someone rightly pointed out, King Jesta, maybe the king of DJs in Brisbane.
I'm not too sure about that, but just as fine, I think, yeah.
Jesta is just fine. Now,
And it doesn't get confused with the airline, Jetstar, it's all good.
we don't want to go there. Jesta, what was your experience today and your biggest takeaway from the day?
We had a great experience. We met a lot of new brides and grooms, obviously a lot of couples that are getting married. And it was good to talk to them about their plans and, what they've got lined up. And biggest takeaway is just meeting a lot of our vendors that we don't really get to meet normally, especially like yourself. You're at the start of the process. You send the bride to the event and I'm there at the event playing music. So it was good to connect with everyone and see a few familiar faces today as well.
Wonderful, Jesta. Thank you so much for chatting with us and we'll see you around.
No worries. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Shabnam, you have a very well-known wedding decoration business. Now, tell me something. If you had one takeaway from today's event, what would that be?
This was an awesome event, and we should do it more often. And I think we should let more of these Brisbane people to make them more aware of these things that, and we need more of these. It was a really good outcome today, and I'm really pleased with that.
That's fantastic. Shadis and More, you're listening. We want you back in Brisbane.
पे ज्वेलरी स्टॉल था, आपको क्या रिस्पांस कैसे लगा ब्रिस्बेन के लोगों से? जी शारमीन, मेरा बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस रहा. देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ एक्सपोजर टुडे. बहुत से सीरियस कस्टमर्स आए जो वेडिंग के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं अपने आप को या देख रहे हैं, ऑप्शंस ढूंढ रहे हैं. सो इट वाज वेरी गुड एक्सपोजर.
That's good. What was your experience? आप पहले तो बहुत प्यारे लग रहे हो.
Thank you very much. It was good experience, good to know, even for me, get to know other businesses. So I think especially lots of brides came in and trying jewelry and looking for like photo shoots and stuff and nice decoration. So it was really good to see lots of business, like they are actually close to you, you're not even aware. So I think it was really good idea to do that. Yeah, well done.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for chatting with us today. I can see there was a constant buzz of people. What's been your response to all the people that have come in today?
Yeah, people were more interested in the temple jewelries for today, and the quality of jewelries that we have in Omi and Wo. So that was one main thing that actually caught my attention as well from the people who came across to us, and also some homemade designs that we have in Omi and Wo. So it was really a very funful and beautiful event. I should thank everybody behind this, Shadis and More, and Sharmeen yourself as well, for making this happen for us also, for putting forward a platform for us to exhibit. It's been a wonderful journey. Thank you so much.
That's wonderful, and nothing like getting market insights straight from the market. This is what Shadis and More has brought to Brisbane today. I have with me Rajshri and Nalini from Shivam Decorators and Aparajita Bridal Couture. You came to Shadis and More with certain expectations. Have those expectations been fulfilled?
Yes. It was a very, very good experience. We enjoyed it. Very well organized. It was very good.
Nalini, was there anything that happened that you thought was different?
Yes. I think very excited people, and they found like it's a one-stop shop for us, and they found very easy that everyone at the one roof. So it's good for them. Yeah, and good for ourselves.
Yeah, 100%. Nothing like also networking with people from within the industry. I'm glad to know you guys have had a great day. I am with Dolly from Ever After Stories. Dolly, obviously you and Smith run this wonderful company. What was your experience today at the Shadis and More Brisbane showcase?
So Smith is the face of the company and I'm behind the scenes. What I observed was the outcome of the event was great. Lot of walk-ins, and it was pretty busy. Really enjoyed meeting the couples, and this was a great event where everyone could come together. So I really enjoyed the event.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for chatting with us, Dolly. I have with me the team from Wedding Nama from Mumbai, Akash and Ankita. First of all, welcome to Brisbane. This is your first time coming here to Brisbane, and you flew down from Sydney. Now, what brought you to Australia and what brings you to Brisbane?
It's always fun to come to Australia, and we have so many couples whose weddings we've done who are based in Australia. So we were here for a wedding, and we shot a wedding in Sydney, and then we came to know about this event that Prerna was organizing, and we were quite excited about it. So we planned a trip to Brisbane just for this event, and it was wonderful to be part of this event. Everything was organized really, really well.
Yeah, thank you Shadis and More for having us. It was a beautiful trip to Australia because it's a photographer's paradise, guys. It's this beautiful lighting, clear skies, lovely angle sunlight. It's just perfect for a photographer to be here.
And we love
And we love the people. We love how calm and relaxed and peaceful everything is. So we just love coming here to Australia for that.
I have with me Pallavi from Makeovers by Pallavi Seth, and this is her beautiful model whose hair and makeup she's done today and dressed up in a beautiful bridal outfit. The outfit was provided by Aparajita, who was one of the other vendors today. Pallavi, what was your experience today of the Shadis and More Brisbane showcase?
Oh, I loved it completely. I wasn't expecting so many potential brides to come and talk, and it was so nice to kind of interact face to face with them, and the concept of like, you know, having a model ready with the bridal thing with all the other vendors and everything. I think it was a very good concept because they could also in person see what was happening and like how it looks in person, like when you see my makeup and everything. And it was so good to talk to them. I loved it. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for chatting with us. Sejal, you are an influencer and a content creator. So how did you enjoy today?
I enjoyed a lot, especially working with Pallavi. It was very easy and I felt like I already met her a long time ago. Like it didn't feel like it was first time. And also the Sadis and more thing, everything, like there were lots of brides, they were inspired by the look. They were very interested to get into the same dress up and makeup. They loved it and like I got lots of compliment and yeah, I really loved it.
Yeah, and I want to add like the jewelry from Friends with Friends like really compliments the lehenga. Like yeah, everything was put together today and it was, I think, yeah, I loved the whole experience.
Me too.
You know what? In the end, everything always works out and always comes together beautifully. You look stunning today. Thank you so much for chatting with us today.
Thank you.
What a day for the South Asian community in Brisbane. It was a fantastic turnout at the Shadis and More showcase. A lot of brides, grooms and families coming in and talking to all the vendors, whether they were the photographers, the decorators, the bridal couture people, jewelry people, gifting people, catering, makeup artists, DJ. Everyone has had an absolutely fantastic day today at the showcase. Not just the people turning up, but it was also about all the vendors coming together under one roof and feeling that sense of community that we're all in this industry together. It was one of the biggest takeaways, the networking and the platform that Shadis and More has provided in Brisbane today has been absolutely phenomenal. Thank you so much for joining us. We will see you on the next episode of Let's Hang Out soon.